Uploading images on Amazon can be done manually or using flat files for bulk upload. And for bulk upload, we usually rely on third-party sites to generate direct links, and those links sometimes don't work. But there are easy alternatives, and today I'm going to share that one alternative which we use at YS. Hi, I'm Harsh, and today I'm going to talk about how you can simply use Google Drive link in flat files. Previously, we used to update our listing images by downloading new images from Drive, uploading all those images into a third-party website to generate direct link, and copying all those images into a flat file. This process was time-consuming and requires a lot of efforts. However, later we discovered that we can simply use Google Drive link in flat files. This change not only saved us time, but also made us more productive. So this is how you can convert your Drive link into a direct link that Amazon will accept. Simply copy the Drive link of the image, ensure that the access is set to share with everyone, paste the Drive link in a spreadsheet. Let's paste in cell A2. In the next right cell, B2, paste this link. This link will be given in the description. Now use this formula. Concatenate, select B2 cell, right mid, select the Drive link, comma, 33. And here you have your Google Drive link. You can use this in flat file. Simple, right? And you know what? To make it more easier for you, we have created a template which we use at YS. And to use this template is really easy. You just simply have to paste the Drive link over here, and in the next right cell, you'll have your direct link. Sometimes when uploading a flat file, an error may still appear, but don't worry. Check again after 24 hours as the images will be updated, because Amazon sometimes shows error even after the images are processed for update. I hope this information was helpful. If you have any query related to Amazon, or if you need any help, connect us via mail. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. Bye bye.